Close your eyes and picture two Greek islands. One whispers peace with every sea breeze, the other pulses with energy and awe-inspiring vistas. Kythira and Zakynthos could not be more different, and yet both call to the soul of every traveler in search of paradise. But which one speaks to you? Kythira is the quiet poet of the Ionian Sea. Tucked away from mass tourism, it's where stone villages rest in silence, waterfalls flow through ancient olive groves, and the beaches are often yours alone. Locals greet you with genuine warmth, and sunsets in places like Kaladi or Limnionis feel like they were made just for you. It's not a place to rush, it's where time slows and life feels real. Then there's Zakynthos, bold, sun-drenched, and adored by travelers worldwide. The home of the iconic Navajo, shipwreck, beach, it's a photographer's dream and an adventurer's playground. From boat tours to the Blue Caves, sea turtle sightings in Leganis Bay, and lively nightlife, Zakynthos knows how to entertain and impress. Its energy is contagious, its views unforgettable. Choosing between the two comes down to the experience you crave. Kythira is for wanderers, romantics, and solitude seekers. Zakynthos is for those who want iconic sights, vibrant towns, and constant motion. So, do you dream of wandering off-grid along clifftop trails with only the sound of cicadas in Kythira? Or does your heart beat faster at the idea of diving into turquoise waves below dramatic cliffs in Zakynthos? Which island's rhythm matches your soul? The serene heartbeat of Kythira or the vibrant pulse of Zakynthos?